Hi, buddy. Oh, are you gonna close the door on me? I don't think so. No. You're ornery, aren't you? Ornery boy, aren't you? Yeah, you like to try and lock that out of stuff, don't you? You drinking your milk?
You want to hear a story?
There's Kev's favorite bear.
Let's play a game called
Mr. Bear has to run all day long most of the time. Kev loves to hear him tell stories. This is Caleb's bedroom / disaster zone. He likes things to be out of place, apparently. Don't you, buddy? Yeah, I like to take all my books off the shelf within minutes. Hey, buddy. You look at the camera. Hi, buddy. You go see Mom? You got a book? Caleb likes to read books. And that's a very good thing we like to encourage.